In this video, I'll show you how to create a Works Cited page in MLA format using Google Docs. First, open a blank Google Doc. At the top of the page, type Works Cited. Center the title using the Center Alignment option in the toolbar. Press Enter, then switch the alignment back to the left. If you already have an MLA citation copied from a library database, right-click and select Paste without formatting. Now highlight both the title and the citation. Change the font to Times New Roman and set the font size to 12. Next, highlight only the citation. Go to the Format tab, select Align and Indent, then click Indentation Options. Under Special Indent, choose Hanging to apply the hanging indent. Now go back to the Format tab, select Line and Paragraph Spacing, and choose Double. Your citation is now formatted correctly in MLA style. If you have more than one citation, paste each one using Paste without formatting so the formatting stays consistent. Make sure all citations are listed in alphabetical order by the first word of each citation. To reorder them, simply cut and paste the citations into the correct position. If there's extra space between citations, remove it using backspace. If any citations contain hyperlinks, right-click the link and select Remove Link. You now have a properly formatted Works Cited page in MLA format using Google Docs. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.